Hi guys, how are you? It's Laura from the Toddler Room, and joining me today is my son Lewis. Today we will be making some rain shakers. For this activity, you will need some plastic containers or a plastic bottle found from your home and a bit of rice. Go ahead, Lewis. Let's start up making our rain shakers. Second, you'll pour some rice into the bottle, like so. It might get a little messy, but it's okay. It's part of the fun activity. Can you hear the rice as it falls into the bottle? All right, now we'll secure our lids on tightly into our bottles. Are you ready to give it a shake?
Hold on. There we go.
There we go. I hope you enjoyed this small activity.